So, I'm holding the camera right now so you guys can see the answer key. Don't forget that if you read vertically, they are not in order, okay? Don't go 1, 2, 3. No, that's not the way you read. You have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? I'm a little nervous that you guys are going to just hit D, 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 D and be like, wait, why are the answers wrong, okay? So I'm giving you the answers, but be careful about the way you use them, all right? This would be very confusing if you think that the answer to number 2 is D, but it's not, okay? Please make sure you go in the right order, okay? These are the answers to the multiple choice that you got. And you can see the answers to the constructions by watching the construction videos, okay? So go ahead, hit pause if you want to watch these, enlarge the screen and just correct your whole paper, and go ahead and review. Look up on YouTube anything that you need to double check or practice or go over again if you want to do the vertical angle theorem or parallel lines or the triangles or something, okay? There's more videos on YouTube besides me that you can check and you could review a little bit on, okay? I'm going to try to get this up before 7, all right? It's actually 6:20 right now, so I'm going to try to make it home in time, all right? Have fun studying, everybody.